Okay.
Alright,
The check valves.
Now this is one you can see here. I'm still waiting for one for this 1/2-inch hose. Ordered the wrong size, but got one-way check valves on every through-hole fitting, and I put them all within 6 inches of the outlet, so this way no water sits in the hose and no water can come back in to help prevent any unnecessary water intrusion. And then we got, like here, you can see this one over here. That one you get a good view of, you can see. They're all nice.
Oh yeah, awesome.
And that's the shower outlet there, the shower drain outlet. And every single through-hole fitting is now all protected and safe and keep James floating.
I cannot thank you enough for double checking all of this.
And then scooch over here and pop that panel up under your feet.
We will never know about the times that I do not sink just because of you.
And never, for future reference, put a bilge pump in, screw it down. Because it'll be useless once the water comes in and then she's floating. But I screwed it in place.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Screwed it in place, changed the hose out, and I heated the end of the hose up with a heat gun before I clamped it to help really get it on there nice and tight. And like I said, just waiting for new float switches, and put roll float switches on all of them. I actually got electronic switches, so there's no float to get stuck.
Okay, cool.
They're electronic, I think magnetic. I believe they work on what do you call that? Mag electric? What would you call that?
I don't know.
It's magnetic. It's an electronic board that gets activated with magnets in there. But yeah, that one. Then got the toilet ripped out. The shower drain pump. Got a brand new toilet. Brand new toilet will be here today or tomorrow. Got a...
Oh, I'm sorry about that too. Yeah, we might as well just get that out of the boat.
Come on.
There's a roll of paper towels.
There we go, there we go. No, I won't put my foot. Actually, yeah, stick it to my foot.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. No, just hold it. I got it.
You're gonna want some acetone with that.
There we go. Toss that.
Oh, where did that come from?
I don't know.
That one.
Maybe I think that was stuck to my foot from being down in the hole over there.
Yeah. You know, I thought I might have had mice or rats and didn't want them chewing the wiring, and all I caught were bugs. Which is good, I guess.
Yeah, no, this is your shower drain. You had that old corroded pump here. I got a nice new self-priming up to 10 feet. It can run dry, so the pump should never fail on you.
Awesome.
And then you'll be able to take a bath in there, have your water pumped out, and then do anything here. No,
oh yeah, we're gonna replace. This is that switch that like didn't want to turn off.
Yeah, that doesn't work too good as a bilge pump float switch.
Yeah, once it's on, it's gonna stay on.
And then you
and then the pump burns. Yeah.
Burn it, kill the batteries and burn up the pump. But and everything that has a one-way check valve on it, that through hole is over there. And then that's your gas tank vent.
Oh my God, you climb behind all this cat food stuff?
No, it's in the bilge.
Oh, okay.
This goes through here and it goes back into the bilge.
Oh yeah, and this is the first time I've seen the back of that closet off.
Yeah, that's where I found my major award of old women's underwear with a maxi pad still stuck to it. Some pretty impressive glue. And that's what blows my mind.
Yeah,
this is
how
the drain.
How did they get in there? And it must have gone in there when this wall was off.
I don't know.
How did
the panties get in? Look, when that's there, there's no room to get behind there. I don't know how it happened.
They must have been. Someone must have had this wall out once before.
But why are they hiding dirty panties back there?
Whoever did it must have considered that a major award for them as well.
I mean, it couldn't have even came from the bathroom or anything. I mean, there's no way you could have stuck it in there. I don't understand it.
That's really funny.
And then I'll show you the bilge. I got them in the bilge too. I've got the light over here. Let's see this one here. Got that one there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the check valve there.
Oh shit. I gotta replace that hose. I didn't even realize that. That hose is cracked. That's just a deck drain though, but I do have to replace that. And then that's the bilge pump. That's the main bilge pump outlet. That one closest to us. That one there is the main bilge pump outlet. And then that's the other deck drain. And then the mid bilge pump outlet is in front of the fuel tank right over here.
There's another one of those check valves that I put in down there.
On what?
On the disaster pump there. See, there's there's the original bilge pump and the 3,700 gallon per hour that I put in.
Yeah, and I put a check valve on that one also.
Okay, but there's the float switch. Is probably one of those cheap ones.
I got new ones for all of them.
Okay,
no, awesome. I got new ones for all of them.
Oh yeah, and I see the check valve there.
And this one, instead of putting this one close to the outlet like I did the other ones, I put this one closer to the pump because this one is mounted so high. So this way it gives it, it gives it a better priming, gives it better priming capabilities. With this being here, if it doesn't get it up all the way, then that water is going to come back down. I mean, water will sit right here on this one, but it's better off having it down here instead of up there.
Yeah, and the opening is very high on that one anyway. It's not like...
But no, just getting it all straightened out.
Once again, I cannot thank you enough for watching out for me and
trying to keep Doc Brown floating.
That's right, yeah.
Doc Brown and the flux capacitor.
The flux capacitor boat.
It's almost time. It is almost time. The time is near.
Yeah.
Ready to go back to what year did they go back to? 1985? No, that was in 1985.
Yeah, so what time did they go? Oh, we're going to go back from the future.
Yeah. There you go, back from the future, not back to the
1985. That's right, yeah.
But yeah, no, she's got the rest of that shit in. I'll finish it off and change that hose out. Yeah, you can move around, do whatever you gotta do, move stuff around. The batteries were pretty low yesterday, then they looked like they came, they charged up pretty good the end of the day. The sun came out really strong.
Yeah, I was checking that yesterday because there was a lot of overcast.
Yeah, they were pretty low when I was on here yesterday.
Well, it's back up to 10% now, and it's
10%? That's it?
It's only, what, like 9:30 or something?
Yeah.
I mean, these are working, right? 29 volts, 3.3 amp. Well, it's caught.
Yeah.
We're in the shade now.
Yeah.
I hope.
And
that's
then which end is the end of the cable to take off so I can drill a hole and put it through?
Which cable?
Where is this the end of the cable? Like, is this
the
smallest
Starlink
end?
thing?
Is that the smallest end though?
I think the two ends look the same, but yeah, this end doesn't have so many zip ties to cut.
Alright. And then where you want that through, we're gonna have to poke that through. I was thinking, just right here. If anything, right here. Just out of the way, right near this pole. Just pop it, drill a hole and pop it through.
Well,
right there.
then water will get into here?
No. No, let's seal it off and put a clamshell on it. Put a clamshell on it.
Okay.
Seal it with 200.
Yeah, do
Then
it.
it can go right into this area here.
Yeah,
You
then
know,
I
this
don't
is the
have
main-
this. Then I don't
Yeah,
have this
Because
sketchy.
this is the main routing run, you know, the main rigging where everything
That's
goes
right.
through. So you can just
Oh,
punch
yeah.
it in through here, go in here, go down, and then you can poke it through over there.
Yeah, or this piece comes off here. This trim piece here comes off to get it over there.
Yeah. Can do that.
But yeah, just this one and this one, I think, gets it over there.
And then this way it's nice and clean.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, you're right, because the way
I was
I've
gonna
got
do it yesterday. I just wanted to check with you to make sure that's what you wanted to do.
Yeah, and with the way I've got it, like with the foam, I can't lock the door.
Yeah. And it's a pain in the ass when it
thanks.
falls off every time when you open the door too much.
Okay. Oh, the foam. Yeah, it is.
The foam it's like, you son of
Every time in and out the
Every time
door.
you
Yeah.
open the door, the foam falls off.
Okay, yeah, thanks for that. You know,
Alright, so-
I hadn't even thought of that.
Yeah, we'll do that. All right?
Very cool, thanks. And
I'll
sorry about the glue trap.
It's all good. Shit happens. There you go.
So that's the major award.
I'm not touching them. We've got a rag here.
No, they can just stay there, maybe.
There,
Yeah,
that was my major
maxi
award.
pad
That was
stuck.
my major award yesterday after pulling the back panel out of the closet.
And we still don't know how they could have possibly gotten behind the wall in the closet.
There's no access there. No access. There's not even a sliver. You can't even shove them back there.
The only way is someone had that wall off and put them in there.
Yeah, they had the wall off. For some reason put them in there, and that was it.
Yeah, the first time I was at Boca Chica, I dropped the anchor and then I pulled it up and there was a bathing suit attached to it. I need to build shelves in there, but I think I need to wait for Greg to finish in there. And I want to put a shelf in that fridge. The freezer is full of frozen food. Cooked in huge batches at the house and then put in individual serving baggies. So I can just take a couple days worth of dinners out of the freezer and put them in the fridge to defrost, and the rest stays frozen in here. And water, cat food. Hopefully the litter box he'll use. Shelf stable milk. Oh yeah, I can take these. Alright. And another cloudy day. It was overcast for much of yesterday, although the sun came out in the afternoon and the batteries got a full charge. So we'll see what happens with the second cloudy day. Really, it would be interesting to get a few completely overcast days in a row.